How can I send invites to parents of specific students across the entire school on SchoolPad?
Thank you for the query, Anita ma'am. SchoolPad has a simple yet powerful feature called Student Tags, which allows you to group students with a name called a tag and send them messages, circulars, and academic resources by selecting a specific tag. To do this, let's first tag the students. Go to the Find Student module. Select the Apply Tags option from the associated options menu on the top right of the screen. Next, enter a tag such as Special PTM for this example. Click on it to select it. Scroll down and select either class-wise or by using an Excel file. First, let's look at how to tag students class-wise. Select the class from the options provided. Now, press the Get Student List button. A list of students from the selected class will appear. Choose the students you want to tag. Then, click on Apply Tag button, and that's it. Other way to do this, by using an Excel file. Click on Choose File and select the Excel file you want to upload. The Excel file should have a single column, with column name registration number, followed by admission numbers of students you want to tag under this column. Click on Apply Tag button. Now, let's send them an invite using the Parent Communication module. Select all the classes. Select the tag criteria as matches and tag value as Special PTM. Now click on the Show Result button, and you'll see a list of students from the entire school who have been tagged with the name Special PTM. For this example, I am only sending the message on SchoolPad, so I'll tick the inbox. Now let's put in the subject as Invitation for Special PTM and the message. I am putting a simple message here, but you can create the message as per your requirement. That's it. Let's hit the Send button, and the message will be sent specifically to the parents of students who were tagged under the name Special PTM. This way, you can create different tags for different requirements and group students. These tags can also be selected under various other modules, like while sending circulars, academic resources, and even generating student reports. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.